The world's largest cryptocurrency by market cap, Bitcoin, has experienced a surprising spike, breaking above the 30,000 price point for the first time since April 19th. This incredible upswing caught the attention of legendary trader John Bollinger, who commented on the crypto's momentum stating, "This first pattern failed, but the second one didn't." Bollinger's remarks and assessments simply suggest the possibility of continued upward movement for Bitcoin. Not that we are at this point, but it's safe to wonder whether Bitcoin could drag Cardano ADA along with it on its way to the top. Now, this sounds quite petty. Now, what's up with Cardano ADA? It has been on a bullish trend at the start of June, where it recorded 37 cents on June 1st and 38 cents within 5 days. Then it was trading at the 30-cent level as of June 6th. But after the SEC lawsuit, news hit the crypto market and its price began to dip. ADA declined from 35 cents on June 6th to 32 cents on June 9th, after which it sank to the 20-cent level. Also on June 10th, the crypto recorded 30 cents, and by June 12th, it recorded 27 cents. Despite several attempts to rally, investors' negative sentiment in the crypto market at large resulted in bearish pressure on the ADA coin price. Now, if we fast forward to recent moments, ADA is trading at 26 cents, losing most of its past month gains in a short period. But there has been a price rally as it recorded new prices on the historical data. This interesting price rebound could be hinged on the release of a new development, Node 8.1.1 in the Cardano ecosystem. Although Cardano is projecting a bullish price outlook quickly, its price analysis is based on technical indicators, which can hint at what we can expect soon. The popular crypto analyst and trader Dan Gambardella has presented his perspectives about Cardano and the crypto market a couple of times. His projections and explanations are always specific and detailed, and he's definitely an expert worth listening to. However, let's explore other Cardano outlooks presented by other crypto experts. And who knows, we might find something that we may have not have noticed before. Recently, a crypto analyst updated his outlook on Cardano ADA, Polygon, and Chainlink against Bitcoin, as the altcoin market flashes weakness. But it was more like a warning. In a new video update, Data Dash, hosted by Nicholas Merton, cautioned his 511,000 YouTube subscribers that many altcoin projects can see as much as a 95% correction in the current cycle from their all-time highs. He said, "We can take it back here. Look at a whole range of different plays here in the market, and you'll see a similar pattern here. Altcoins typically correct. Even Ethereum in the last bear market in 2018 corrected over 95% from all-time highs, so don't doubt that history can repeat itself." Taking a look at the smart contract platform Cardano against Bitcoin, Merton warned of a potential 50% decline on the ADA Bitcoin chart from its current price level of about 1/100,000th of a Bitcoin, which is 25.9 cents, to about 45 10 millionths of a Bitcoin, which also equates to 12 cents. If stablecoin liquidity isn't there, and if optimism isn't there, and regulatory concerns are growing, ADA is not going to move higher. We gotta ask ourselves whether or not we can hold this line of higher lows against Bitcoin, and if we can't, I think you're looking at 500 Satoshis to about 450 for the next level. That is over 50% here from where we are now. With this analysis, things are not looking pretty for altcoins, yet we can only wish for the best right now. But let's get more specific with Cardano ADA, and here, crypto analyst Benjamin Cowan may sing a different song, but maybe not. According to Cowan, Cardano's bear market likely has a ways to go before bottoming out. In a new strategy session, Cowan explained that based on past market cycles, ADA may need the rest of 2023 to find a bottom. Going down Cowan's thoughts, the ADA Bitcoin pair is also worth keeping an eye on, and noted that the pair reaching approximately the 4 millionth Bitcoin level, or 11 cent level, could signal a bottom for the smart contract protocol. He said, "We know we have just put in a new low. Again, based on the last cycle, we know that it can last for another 5 months or something. So that's something to think about. It's really hard calling bottoms. I think it's more important to look at the ADA Bitcoin valuation to see if it holds its lows and maybe future lows. Let's say if it goes to 400 Satoshis, and if it can hold those levels, then it might start to justify it. But right now, in my opinion, it's a little bit harder to justify it." Also, he added, not to say that it can't bounce back up on its USD pair if Bitcoin goes back up, we know that it probably would, but the problem is that, again, if it's bleeding against Bitcoin, no matter if Bitcoin is going up or down, then the risk-adjusted returns are not as attractive as just holding Bitcoin during this phase of the market cycle. Cardano is currently trading for 26 cents and has been trending down since August of 2021 when it reached its all-time high of $3.09. Right now, the future looks bleak, although there are a couple of updates that signify Cardano's thriving in a few years to come. Okay, so this is it. On the technical front, Cardano looks like it has nothing to offer, but what about focusing on the long term considering other factors that could solidify ADA's position in the crypto market? Let's get on with it. Now, Cardano ADA is on the verge of setting a new record. A significant indicator in Cardano seems to be flexing its wings, as the broader crypto market begins to rally. Cardano's dominance, a key indicator of its market strength, has been on a steady climb, currently standing at 93%. This marks the highest value we've seen in a month, and if this trend continues, ADA's dominance could soon surpass the significant milestone of 1%. And just in case you seem lost, dominance in the crypto space refers to the percentage a single cryptocurrency holds in the total market capitalization of all cryptocurrencies. A higher dominance percentage suggests that a significant amount of capital is flowing into that cryptocurrency, which marks it as a dominant player in the market. As a result, the increasing dominance of ADA could indicate a surge in investor interest and confidence in Cardano. The most interesting fact is that ADA's price performance mirrors its increasing dominance. Cardano has added a substantial 20% to its value and is displaying an upward trend in trading volume. This upturn in volume suggests heightened activity and interest, which could fuel positive price action. Furthermore, the relative strength index, a momentum oscillator used to gauge the speed and change of price movements, currently sits at $50 for ADA. This position is neutral and implies that buying and selling pressures are balancing out, potentially setting the stage for a decisive price move. But we can't expect much from it, as the rising dominance of ADA can exert downward pressure on other cryptocurrencies. Plus, as capital shifts towards ADA, this could put a damper on altcoins, while possibly boosting ADA's price. Well, ADA is not the only victim of this downside and a crypto world flooded with volatility. The Cardano founder has also faced a couple of insults from the public. He might have bottled some, but given his outspoken personality, this might not be the case. Recently, he found himself embroiled in a controversy after sharing snapshots from his expedition in search of aliens. The series of photos that probably seem unrelated to Cardano ADA drew mixed reactions from the public. One of Hoskinson's followers responded to the post with a sarcastic comment, jesting, "Hey everybody, check out how I'm spending your money." Unwilling to let the comment slide, Hoskinson took to Twitter to defend himself, and it was quite a violent one. In a series of tweets, he rebuffed that the notion that his funds were in any way connected to his followers' wealth, regarding it as a weirdo communist idea. One of the tweets read, "Also, somehow my own money is theirs? What kind of weirdo communist land is this?" The Cardano creator clarified his stance, emphasizing that he never made any promises to the commenter, as they were not an investor, nor had they purchased anything from him. He further highlighted numerous statements explaining the nature of Cardano, its operational mechanisms, and the platform's decentralized structure. Asserting the purpose of his company, Input Output Global, Hoskinson made it clear that they were primarily focused on software development and protocol implementations, not market manipulation. Then he mentioned what most people do love to hear. He stated, "We aren't here to make the price of ADA go up. That's not our place or role. But if we believe in Cardano's long-term potential, a spike in price will be an unavoidable bonus." The outlook may not look pretty, and Hoskinson seems busy protecting his reputation and Cardano's, but there are a plethora of reasons to stay hopeful. But that is going to do it for today's video. Make sure you click on the subscribe and notification buttons, and I'll see you in the next video.